Terms used in gears. Pitch circle. Pitch circle, imaginary circle by which by pure rolling action gives the same motion as the actual gear. Pitch circle diameter. Diameter of the pitch circle also called as pitch diameter. Pressure angle, the angle between the common normal to two gear teeth at the point of contact and the common tangent at the pitch point. Addendum, the radial distance of a tooth from pitch circle to top of tooth. Dedendum, the radial distance of a tooth from the pitch circle to bottom of the tooth. Pitch, circular pitch, distance measured on the circumference of the pitch circle of a point of one tooth to the corresponding point on the net tooth. PC, the circular pitch is given by pi d by t, where d is diameter of pitch circle and t is number of teeth on wheel. So d1 by d2 equals to t1 by t2 equals to n2 by n1. This is important for numericals. Diametral pitch, the ratio of the number of teeth to the pitch circle diameter in mm. PD equals to T by D. Module M, ratio of pitch circle diameter in mm to the number of teeth. Backlash, the difference between the tooth space and the tooth thickness as measured along the pitch circle. This is very important aspect while designing the gear. Root clearance, the radial distance from the top of the tooth to the bottom of the tooth of machine gear. Standard proportion of gear system is given as in this table. Addendum dedendum, working depth, minimum total depth, tooth thickness, minimum clearance, fillet radius at root. This is all for 20-degree full depth involute system, and this is for 20-degree sub-stub involute system. This is typical meshing of gear, which shows this is the top land, this is the working depth from this tooth, this is root clearance between the two meshing gears. This is bottom land and this is the top land. This is dedendum, this is addendum, this is pitch diameter, this is hole depth, root circle, this is pinion, and this is the gear. Arc distance here equals to circular pitch. Gear materials. It depends on the strength and service conditions like wear, noise, etc. It may be metallic or non-metallic. Metallic gears obtainable in cast iron, steel or bronze. Or non-metallic materials are like wood, rawhide, compressed paper. Synthetic resins like nylon are used for gears. Types of gearboxes. According to type of gear: helical gearbox, bevel helical gearbox, worm and worm shaft gearbox, planetary gearbox. According to type of shaft: solid shaft, hollow shaft. According to mounting of drive shaft: underdriven, overdriven, vertical output shaft, up or down. Efficiencies of different types of gearboxes. This is a simple table that shows सिंगल रिडक्शन हेलिकल गियर की एफिशिएंसी 99% होती है, डबल रिडक्शन हेलिकल गियर का एफिशिएंसी 98, ट्रिपल रिडक्शन हेलिकल गियर की 97.5, क्वाड्रल रिडक्शन गियर हेलिकल गियर की 97, सिंगल रिडक्शन बीवल गियर की 98%, डबल रिडक्शन बेवल हेलिकल गियर 97.5, ट्रिपल रिडक्शन बेवल हेलिकल गियर 97 and quadral reduction bevel helical gear is 96.5.